Boxing is you will do as well as you prepare. So if I don't prepare right, I won't win. They say it's a sweet science, and it really is. Like, everything goes together.
Senior LaTravius Robinson wears many hats, including amateur boxer.
I've always wanted to box. I thought I'd be good at it.
But during the day, he's here at WKU, working as a compliance associate in the Office of Research Integrity.
Just to say, hey, we need this to get done so that we can continue to get grants, and continue to fund your research.
Less than 4 years ago, Robinson, who has a wife and 8-year-old son, had never even heard of Bowling Green when a pastor visited his church in Richmond, Virginia, looking for volunteers to move here to plant a church.
I don't know why, man. I feel like it was the Holy Spirit, man. It was like, you need to go out there.
WKU was icing on the cake as LaTravius, a non-traditional student working on a business degree in human resources, was able to transfer credits from Virginia Commonwealth University.
I can go to school there, I can finish my degree there, but then the specific concentration that I'm in is like one of the best, around.
Just 2 weeks after starting his campus job, the pandemic shut everything down.
So COVID hit, and everyone was home for months on end, and so because of it, I ended up gaining like 30 pounds.
And that's where amateur boxing enters the picture.
When I first came in, I had no aspirations to compete. I just wanted to lose weight, and it was perfect for me.
Now he's having success in the ring and on the scale, shedding 25 pounds, realizing none of this would even be possible if God hadn't led him here to begin with.
I think God has been blessing me. I love it. I think it's a learning process that never ends.
With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.